Getting ready for another install. Get in there, man. Get in there. This is the hardest part. This is the hardest part. Trying to get all the merchandise to the customer's house in the same condition they left here. Preparation's always key. John? I think that's it. Just the cabinets, this, and they gotta go to Home Depot and pick up the order. Today's plan is to get 95% done with this job that we're going to. We're doing a bump out wall, custom live edge floating shelves, custom cabinetry, and an insert for a fireplace. So this should be interesting. So what happened was, I guess, when we made the order for this job that we're currently at, that order, when we sent it in, got canceled. So now, since we're in a time crunch, we're pulling a new order. We're pulling that same order ourselves, but now we just got to spend a little bit more time here, but that's all right. At least we can get to look at the wood and make sure that the wood is good. There's no issues, unless he breaks it. Now we got everything, so now we're heading to the customer's house. We already got Ramon's over there waiting for us, enjoying his day. It's right in the water, so it's a beautiful place. I definitely enjoy working for him. We got a couple jobs that we've already done in his home, and he keeps inviting us over. I'm not sure why. Not sure why. Yeah, so we arrived at the house. We're unloading. I'm trying to get the guys set up. I'm gonna go back to the shop, pick up a couple things that we need for this job site. But right now, what he's doing, he's cutting out the baseboards. So we're gonna eventually reuse this in front of the bump out wall, which we're gonna create out of 2x4 shiplap, a lot of concrete screws, because this is an exterior wall. So there's concrete out there. There's fairing strips, but they're really, really thin. So we just want to make sure that we get them into the concrete. Once we do that, these will come into place. And then we'll just start doing the other side. We're going to have live edge floating shelves here, staggered, 3 on this side, 3 on that side. And then hopefully we can get this place done, I would say within like 3 to 4 days. So that's it. This is the start. So we got the wall up, we got all the shiplap off. What we're doing now is just doing all the moldings. We still have a couple doors to put up. We're gonna put up the shelves, the floating shelves, you can see here. So this is basically what we're using. We're just using bolts. We cut them up, we put them through the wall, and then we shove these inside the floating shelves that we did. So tomorrow they'll come here, they'll tape over everything, and then paint this wall. And then hopefully we'll be done. We'll see what happens. How you liking it so far, man?
I felt like the house was incomplete, so this will be nice to have like really more of a homey feel, especially with the fireplace.
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah. Fireplace is nice. That's 4 different colors I had to mix just to match up that stock on the gun.
Really?
Oh, dude, you have no idea. Yeah. Oh, you have no idea. That was the hardest part was matching that color.
It's a very distinct color.
Yeah, no.
Very different.
But I'm telling you, it was fun. To do that, it was absolutely fun. Like, and I mean fun in like a stressful way.
Yeah, of course, of course.
So tomorrow the guys are gonna get here early in the morning. They're gonna prep everything to paint. Painting is a very simple concept, but like prepping everything is key. It's main factor, especially because we use sprayers, so a lot of overspray and stuff like that. But to get the best finishes, you want to use those sprayers. You want to give that real smooth paint looking. But that's all we got to do tomorrow, paint. I got to run some electricity and then do some more support brackets to hold the mantle. This mantle is absolutely heavy as can be. So we need to support it, make sure that it's on point. But that's it, man. One more day and I think we'll be wrapped up here. I'll finish this one for sure. What a day! What a day! Pow!
Night and day. Feels like an actual home now. It's so put together. It's honestly world-class finishings, and after putting the decorations up, it feels really nice. Laying down, putting the fireplace on, watching some Netflix is just, it's so calming and peaceful, and just really appreciate what Flippin' Rustic has done. And Veronica and Juan are always a pleasure to work with, and been really impressed.